What's up, future millionaires? It's Grow Wealth Daily here, your guide to crushing it financially. Listen, you guys know I'm all about building wealth, and one of the best ways to do that is with a solid side hustle. We're talking about that extra cash flow that can help you achieve your financial goals faster, whether it's paying off debt, investing, or just having some extra fun money. Now you might be thinking, Grow, there are a million side hustles out there, how do I choose? Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'm breaking down the absolute best side hustles for 2025. We're talking about gigs that can make you an extra $100 a day, or even more, with the right amount of hustle. And the best part, I'm giving you the inside scoop on how to get started, the platforms to use, and how much you can realistically make. So, if you're ready to level up your income game and start building that financial freedom, buckle up because we're diving into the best side hustles of 2025. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. The first side hustle on our list is perfect for anyone who wants to leverage the power of technology to make some serious cash AI-powered freelancing. Now before you say, Grow, I don't have any tech skills, hear me out. With AI tools becoming more and more user-friendly, literally anyone can offer high-demand freelancing services, even with zero experience. Think about it. Tools like ChatGPT are changing the game. You can literally type in a prompt for a blog post, a resume, even a social media caption, and ChatGPT will spit out amazing content in seconds. And it's not just writing, you can use AI for graphic design too. Canva has built-in AI features to help you create stunning visuals, and Midjourney can generate mind-blowing AI art and logos. So, how do you turn this into cold hard cash? Easy! Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are booming with clients looking for these exact services. You can easily find gigs for blog writing, resume writing, social media graphics, AI-generated logos, you name it. And the pay? We're talking $20 to $50 per gig, even for beginners. Let's say you land just 4 clients a day at $25 a pop, that's an extra $100 right there. And the beauty of this is, you can scale it up. As you get more comfortable and efficient, you can take on more clients and increase your rates. The sky's the limit with AI-powered freelancing, trust me. This is the future of work, and you can get ahead of the curve and start building your freelancing empire today. Next up, we're diving into the world of passive income with YouTube automation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Grow, YouTube's all about being on camera. I don't want to be the next Mr. Beast. And guess what? You don't have to. YouTube automation is all about creating content that practically runs itself without you ever having to show your face. Here's how it works. You choose a niche. Any niche. It could be finance, motivation, tech reviews, sports highlights, literally anything that interests you. Then, you use AI tools like the ones I mentioned before to generate scripts and voiceovers for your videos. You can even outsource the editing to freelancers on platforms like Upwork for a super affordable price. Now you might be wondering, Grow, how does this make me money? Well, once your channel is monetized, you start earning ad revenue from the videos you upload. But that's not all. You can also make money through affiliate marketing, promoting products related to your niche and earning a commission on every sale. And as your channel grows, you can even land sponsorships from brands that want to reach your audience. The earning potential with YouTube automation is insane. We're talking $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per month or more, once your channel gains traction. And the best part? It's truly passive income. You create the content once, and it continues to generate revenue for you month after month, even while you sleep. Now that's what I call working smarter, not harder. Alright, for all my hustlers who love the thrill of the hunt and scoring amazing deals, this next side hustle is for you, reselling and flipping. This is a classic side hustle that's been around forever, but it's still one of the best ways to make quick cash. The concept is simple. You find items being sold for less than their actual value, you buy them, and then you resell them for a profit. Easy, right? Now where do you find these hidden gems? Well, you can literally find them anywhere. Sneakerheads are making a killing reselling limited edition kicks on platforms like StockX and GOAT. Thrifting is also having a major moment, and you can find incredible vintage clothing, furniture, and collectibles at thrift stores and resell them for a huge markup on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. And don't even get me started on digital products. You can buy and sell ebooks, templates, even software all online. The key to successful flipping is knowing what's in demand and finding those diamond-in-the-rough deals. Let's say you find 5 items a week that you can flip for a $20 profit each. That's an extra $100 right there just from a little bit of bargain hunting. And the best part? You can scale this up as much as you want. The more you flip, the more you earn. Next on our list is one of my all-time favorite passive income streams: affiliate marketing. This side hustle is all about leveraging your influence and audience to promote products and services that you love, and earning a commission for every sale you drive. It's like getting paid to share your recommendations with the world. Now, you don't need to be a mega influencer to make money with affiliate marketing. You can start small with your existing social media following, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube Shorts. The key is to find products and services that align with your niche and that your audience will genuinely be interested in. For example, since this is Grow Wealth Daily, you already know I'm all about financial literacy and building wealth, so naturally I'd promote financial tools, courses, and products that I personally use and believe in. There are tons of amazing affiliate programs out there. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, as they offer millions of products to promote. You can also check out platforms like Wealth Simple and Questrad for financial products, and Rakuten for cashback rewards on online shopping. The possibilities are endless. The earning potential with affiliate marketing is incredible. Once you build an audience and start driving consistent traffic to your affiliate links, you can easily make $100 a day or more in passive income. It's a win-win situation. You're providing value to your audience by recommending awesome products, and you're getting paid for it. Alright, for all my creative entrepreneurs out there, this next side hustle is for you: print on demand and digital products. This is another amazing way to generate passive income by selling your own unique designs and creations without having to handle any inventory or shipping yourself. Print-on-demand platforms like Printify and Redbubble allow you to create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it, and sell them online without ever having to touch a single product. When someone places an order, the platform handles everything from printing to shipping, and you earn a profit on each sale. It's that easy. And if you're more into the digital world, creating and selling digital products is another fantastic option. You can create and sell things like finance planners, budgeting templates, stock trackers, even side hustle guides. Like this video. Hint, hint. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are perfect for selling digital downloads. And the best part is, once you create the product, you can sell it an unlimited number of times without any additional work. With eye-catching designs and a little bit of marketing savvy, you can easily hit that $100 a day mark in passive income with print-on-demand and digital products. It's a great way to monetize your creativity and build a sustainable online business. Alright, for my hustlers who prefer a more hands-on approach and want to interact with people in their local community, this last section is for you. Service-based side hustles are a fantastic way to make money by offering your skills and services directly to people in your area. And the best part? These hustles usually have very low startup costs and can start generating income almost immediately. One popular option is dog walking. Platforms like Rover and PetSitter connect dog walkers with pet owners looking for someone to walk their furry friends. You can set your own rates and schedule, and it's a great way to get some exercise while making some extra cash. If you're a bit of a clean freak, car detailing is another lucrative option. People are always willing to pay top dollar to have their cars looking sparkling clean, and you can easily charge $50 to $100 per car, or even more depending on the services you offer. And if you're really feeling ambitious, pressure washing is another service-based hustle with high earning potential. You can charge $100 or more per job, and it's something you can do on the weekends or in your spare time. The key to success with local service-based hustles is to provide excellent customer service, be reliable and punctual, and build a strong reputation in your community. Word of mouth is powerful, and positive reviews and referrals can lead to a steady stream of clients and consistent income. There you have it, future millionaires. Those are the best side hustles to make an extra $100 a day in 2025. Whether you're looking to tap into the power of AI, build passive income streams, or offer your services locally, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and starting a side hustle is one of the best ways to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Choose the hustle that resonates with you the most, take action, and start building your financial future today. The possibilities are endless, and I'm confident that with hard work and dedication, you can achieve all your financial goals and live the life of your dreams. Which side hustle are you trying in 2025? Comment below. If you got value from this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.